Hello friends, we are starting second chapter Elements and Compounds. This chapter has not been specified as second chapter in your syllabus, especially in standard 6, but yet I am introducing this as a second chapter to you all. In this chapter our objective would be to study the particles of matter and to learn the language of chemistry. In module 1, we are going to discuss questions like what is an element, what are different classifications of elements. There are actually two bases on which we can classify elements based on its atomicity and based on its chemical nature. Names of the first 20 elements would be our agenda, but our videos would be in spurts of 2 minutes 50 seconds only. Symbols of elements based on their names in different languages is also very important for you all to understand the subject in a comprehensive manner. Now let us begin with what is elements. In the first chapter itself I had discussed the definition of element in an elaborated form. These are the purest form of substances which can not be broken down into simpler substances either by physical or chemical means. This was the definition I had introduced in the first video. Now, what you should remember about element is that it is composed of similar kinds of atoms. And what are atoms? We shall elaborate on it in other chapters. Apart from that, you should remember the number of atoms present in a molecule of an element is called as atomicity. So this definition of atomicity is very essential. Now, based on atomicity of elements, elements can be classified as monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic or polyatomic. In fact, diatomic and triatomic are also included under polyatomic atoms only, because the word poly stands for more than one. Thank you. We will resume in next video.